Now, if I come across and look at the NQ, let's just flip this out to the 4-hour view. Again, I'm looking for this to get on with it. We took out the first hurdle, which was 75.64. I want to see 76.85 taken out next in short order, and this to accelerate up towards 8,069 next in the NQ. So it needs to play catch up in the NQ, and some of the tech stocks that have, notably Apple and others, that have reached their expected levels for their wave 4s within their wave 3s to start to carry it up now. So Google, Apple, Microsoft, the usual tech giants, I'm looking for sustained upside from here to help with the Nasdaq ongoing. Dow Jones, we're hair's breadth from getting up to that 123.6 now. So 26,974 next to 26,934, sorry, 937, and then just continue to zigzag up. As they said in recent videos, the Dow's got a picture perfect pattern. We're long via XLI, and that's looking good. And that looks like it's in its third of third, so I'm quite happy with that. And a couple of the stocks that we've got in the industrial sector looking good. The comments I made this morning, by the way, are based on Dow theory. The transports should break out first and make a new high. Well, we've seen that. Then the Dow Jones should do so. That is the Dow Jones theory official signal for the next phase of a bull market. So I'm looking for the Dow today to go out and take out the all-time high in the cash market.